Hey there, I'm Mike Opheim with Edina Realty. This week's home seller tip is about one of the most important marketing aspects of your listing. We all understand that the cameras on our phones have come a long way over the years. That still doesn't mean they should be used to take your property photos for your listing. This has as much to do with the person behind the lens as it does about the equipment. A professional photographer understands lighting and angles and backdrops better than a novice, and their equipment is still better than any phone. They can also use Matterport 3D technology to create virtual tours to tell the story of your home and to create dollhouse views of your home. They can also use drones for added wow factor. Your property photos are the very first impression buyers have of your home and will determine whether they even are going to set up a showing or not. Don't waste this opportunity. As an added tip, make sure to update the exterior photos of your home with the change of seasons. If you have any questions or you want to work with a realtor that will spend the money to market your home right, you can message me here, or you can find my contact information at my homepage or on my link tree. Thanks.